We have a special one today, a 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S Fastback. It's been rotisserie restored. You know what really makes this one special? It's not a 340 under the hood. That's a 383 big block sitting under the hood, original to this car. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 collector cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. If you want to skip directly to this car, scan the QR code that's on your screen. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a high quality car. It's absolutely straight. The fit is absolutely square and flush and right on the money. There's not a ripple in this hood. It's all looking great. All the way down the side is absolutely straight. All the nice body lines are crisp and clean and fit beautifully. No bubbling or cracking that I can see. Even underneath here, under the rockers, all smooth and clean. Look how that door fits so nicely. Look at the jams all painted up real nice. Shuts like a new car. The roof is straight. The quarter panels are straight and clean. All this is really sharp, really nice. All fitting beautifully. They only made just over 1,100 Barracudas with the 383, and not all of them were fastbacks. They had a coupe or a fastback. This one's obviously the fastback, looking really good. Again, all the gaps, the lines. Look at the reflection here. It's a mirror finish all the way to the bottom. You have the pop-up racing gas cap there that's kind of countersunk into the quarter panel. You have this nice body line here, all nice and clean, just like the other side. Super nice jams. Door shuts real nice. Absolutely straight. Whoever gapped this car did a fantastic job. It lines up spot on. So the body is excellent. Repainted its original Ember Gold color. Does have really tiny metallic in it, all laid out evenly, and it's polished to a glass-like finish. Really out in the sun, it really sparkles real nice. The front end looks great. The grills look really good. The bumper's been re-chromed. The trim looks to be excellent. These 383S are probably hard to come by, and there are some cracks. There's a little bit of flaking on a few of the edges there, but overall they look good. The Formula S and Barracuda emblems are real nice. Has the emblem there on one side only. That's the way it's supposed to be. Has a deluxe mirror on this side. All this chrome and trim. Stainless moldings. This is all polished and sparkling. Door handles real sharp. It has the side stripes on there. The back glass is original and in very good shape. The trim is polished. The rubber's soft. So back here, it's all looking good. You have the Barracuda emblem, the bumper, and the silver trim. All that's just looking really, really nice. It's rolling on a set of Poverty wheels. They're painted to match the car, all nice and glossy with restored center caps, reproduction Redline tires. Has a remote mirror on this side. So there you have it. Good looking exterior with excellent fit and finish. Let's see how the interior looks. All right, let's look and see what a nice clean trunk looks like. All painted up real nice. They did a good job when they restored this car. The jam is slick, the weather strip is replaced. Inside here, it's all clean, all painted. It has the panel over, oh, Redline tire. Look at that. Tires never even been used. Painted rim, all painted beautifully in here. You know the person's not cheap when they pay the money for a fifth matching spare. And this lid actually opens into the interior because the rear seat folds down too. So when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the videos are posted. Those jams are slick. The door edge is clean as can be. The weather strips are fresh and fit nice. The interior is very nice. The door panels, armrests, it's all looking real good. Dash pad is mint. The whole instrument panel, the knobs, the bezels, all looking good. You got the gauge cluster here. Heater controls, all that's real nice. It's a radio delete, but they do have a Bluetooth stereo mounted below the dash. Clean glove box liner, been replaced. All looking nice. The kick panels, the carpet, it's got carpeted floor mats, all fits real nice. Real good original console. It's got a little pitting on the ashtray door here, but it's in very nice shape overall. The seats, nice cushion, nicely reupholstered. All looking real nice. Carpet back here is real nice. We got seat belts front and back. Rear seats in really nice shape. It does fold down. There's pictures of that on our website, and it's all carpeted. And all the trim inside's painted nice, looking good. Not beat up at all. Headliner has been replaced. Visors look great. This is a deluxe steering wheel. Nice wood grain wheel, polished spokes, little Barracuda in the middle. Yeah, way up under the dash, it's all painted. I bet the whole inside of the car is painted if you pull the carpet out. They painted everything. Even in the wheel wells, it's all painted gold. So this is the VIN number match 383 motor, making 300 horsepower. Upgraded on top with aluminum intake and a 750 dual feed Holley carburetor. It has an electric choke. And it's all neatly done. All the wires and hoses are done neat. Look at this bracket, correct. The hoses, the clamps all look real nice. And the whole engine bay, like I said, everything was painted real nice. They probably had this car to a shell. It was on a rotisserie, and all this was done. Correct Chrysler radiator, the right shroud, the pulleys look good. All the wires are in their looms. Even has a reproduction Mopar battery, the whole battery, not just the topper. The battery is secured properly. It does have a plug-in for a battery tender. Here's the fender tag still in place. And it does have jet hot coated headers on there, so intake and exhaust were changed. All painted nice even under the hood. Super nice looking air cleaner too. Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. We got the big block 383 Barracuda here to drive. One of my all-time favorites, I tell you. An A-body, a fastback. Awesome car. Super rare car, too, I'm sure you guys already know from Jay. But this thing has got a top quality restoration on it. And what a great experience. Nice and easy to use with the 727 torque flight automatic. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Man, this thing's a torque hog. You can feel it just pushing you back. Absolutely in love. Nice comfortable interior. The bucket seats there. Killer sounding exhaust. And somebody's going to be really proud to own this car. I'm a little jealous, to be honest. So come down, take it for a test drive if you'd like to. We do encourage it. Just contact our sales team with a day's notice and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath the car looks as good as the top. I don't know if you noticed as it went around, but even the wheel wells, like I said, are painted like this. So is the whole underbody. All the frame rails, the floors, all immaculate and painted glossy. Every component under there was removed, restored. Has the ride and handling package, which is part of the Formula S. All the suspension, steering was redone. All the brakes were redone. It has disc brakes in front. The lines, the e-brake cables, that stuff's all there, all replaced. The fuel system was replaced. The tank is actually kind of shiny looking, looks nice. Does have a custom stainless steel exhaust, really good sounding exhaust with the X pipe. You look up at the motor, it's clean. The 727 Torque Flight Automatic is VIN number matching to the car as well. That was rebuilt. It's got a bit of a shift kit in there and a 2800 stall. A new drive shaft goes back to the 8 3/4 rear end, which has 323 sure grip gears. So this is a full rotisserie restoration. I didn't mention the round marker lights. Everyone loves those on a 68, including myself. Pretty special car, high quality, unique. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions like how to get your Barracuda Formula S 383 delivered to your home, how to get financing, insurance. They'll help with all of that. Thanks for watching.